Are you curious to see how tiny tech is shaping our world? Join the University of Florida engineers October 9th for our annual virtual field trip to the Nanoscale Research Facility. Instructions on how to sign up can be found in the video's description. This event is held in a virtual space called GatherTown. GatherTown is an interactive virtual environment that allows you to explore the Nanoscale Research Facility without having to leave your classroom. After you've signed up using one of the links provided, you'll be instructed on how to create your own personalized avatar for GatherTown. Using this avatar, you'll be able to explore the research nanotech facility with your classroom. In GatherTown, you and your classroom will be able to interact with the different objects and enter different classrooms, and you can check out and listen to some of the speeches, seminars, and discussions going on with our University of Florida engineer scientists. So please come join us for our 4th annual NanoDay open house. Remember, it's Wednesday, October 9th. Use the QR code or check the description so you can join us and get set up with your avatar in GatherTown. We look forward to meeting you. See you soon.